Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account and saved payment method so offers apply immediately. Open the Play Store app and tap your profile icon. This is where discounts and promo codes appear. Once there, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Offers to surface available deals. If you have a promo code, tap Redeem Now, enter the code exactly and apply. Doing this early prevents wasted steps later and ensures eligible discounts attached to the correct account. You now choose the item and tap its price or subscribe to reach the checkout screen. Once at checkout, tap Payment Methods and then Promo Code or Add Payment Method if needed, enter codes, or select an auto-applied offer. Make sure the discount appears as a separate line item so you can verify savings and check which payment method will cover the remainder. If multiple offers exist, pick the one that yields the lowest final price before tapping Buy or Subscribe to complete the transaction. You finish by confirming the purchase appears in your Play Store library and by checking the receipt sent to your email. If the discount didn't apply, first clear the Play Store cache, restart the app, and retry redeeming. Alternatively, remove and re-add the payment method and attempt checkout again. If the discount still fails or your card is charged incorrectly, wait up to 48 hours for adjustments, then contact Google support with the transaction ID. This usually resolves credit or refund.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.